Hello, my name is Darren Thomas and I am the Director of Educational Research Techniques. In this video, we're going to go over how to make a function inside Microsoft Excel. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I am inside Microsoft Excel. And what we're going to do here is we're going to learn how to make a function. Now, how this is going to work is that first I have to show you how to add the Developers tab to your Microsoft Excel in case that is not already set up inside your Microsoft Excel. Once we have the Developers tab set up, we will then go into something called Visual Basic, which is kind of like the code for Microsoft Excel. It's actually Visual Basic Application, and we use the word VBA for short for it. And then once those things are set up, we will be able to make our function inside Microsoft Excel and be able to actually execute it. So first, to add the Developers tab, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see this up at the top, but mine is already running. But in case you do not have the Developers tab available to you right now, click on File, and then go all the way down to the bottom and click on Options. And then it'll spin. And then you want to go over to Customize Ribbon, and then over in the Main tab, you will see right here, Developer. So Main tab was already highlighted for me. You know, if it's in this drop down box here to the right, you have all tabs, Main tab and Tool tabs. Just click on Main tab and then just highlight Developer like so. Click OK. And you will have this new frame right here at the top between View and Help. And so that's essentially how you add the Developers tab to your ribbon at the top. Now, when you click on Developer, the next thing you want to do is click all the way off to the left, something called Visual Basic. It's also available if you press Alt F11. So I click on this and you get this blank screen here. So we're not quite ready to do anything yet, but what we're going to do now is we're going to create, or we're going to develop our function, if you will. And basically our function is we're going to calculate the area of a triangle, really. It's not that deep, it's not that complicated, but it's a great way to get started for beginners. Now I'm over here in the upper left-hand corner. Let's see here. In the upper left-hand corner, and I'm going to click right here on this little thing next to the Excel Insert User Form, and I'm going to click Module, like so. And so now I have my module set up, and this will allow me to have a place where I can actually develop or set up my code. So we're making a function, so we're going to type in function like so, and then we're going to type the name of the function, so area. And after that, we're going to type in our parameters, if you will, that are going to go inside the function. So let's see here. All right, so inside that, we're going to have base as double. There we go. Comma, height as double. All right, so double is a data type, if you will. You know, if you're familiar with R or Python, there's different data types for objects. This is all that it is. And basically a double can take decimals as an example of what it's capable of. And the actual function is going to be a double as well. All right. And so once I press enter, you can see the text changes a slight color to a purplish, darkish blue, I guess, whatever you want to call it. And also it ended it with the end function command there. And so now between function and end function, I will now type the actual code that I want you to see. So we're going to put area equals base times height, and all that's going to be divided by 2. This is standard for making I'm probably making a function, so I'll just remove these spaces here. They probably don't make a difference. All right, so there's our formula, and that's pretty much it. You can see it automatically corrected that. Yeah, automatically corrected that. So everything is set up. So all I'm going to do now is go back to Microsoft Excel. Okay, now we're back inside Excel. And so what we're going to do now is we are going to run this function. And what we're going to do here is we're going to type in equal sign right here in column B, row 3. The name of the function, which is area, all lowercase. And then we're going to make a basic triangle that has a base of 4 and a height of 6. 4 times 6 is 24. If we divide that by 2, we should get the answer of 12. And you can see right there, everything's working according to plan. So that is essentially how you can make a very, very simple function inside Microsoft Excel. So to kind of recap what we did, in this particular video, we learned about how to set up the Developers tab inside Microsoft Excel so that we were able to access something called Visual Basic, which is actually Visual Basic Application, or VBA for short. Once we clicked on that, we were able to go inside the Visual Basic Application, if you will, and we were able to create a function that allowed us to calculate the area of a triangle. And then once we did that, we came back here to Excel. We called the function, press an equal sign, type it in area, put it in our two parameters for the base and the height. The computer automatically multiplied them and divided by 2, and we have our answer right here in column B, row number 3. So my name is Darren Thomas, and I am the Director of Educational Research Techniques. Thank you for watching, and of course, take care.